Welcome to Host Helper Pro AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to scrape information from your website in order to create your property listing. So what you have to do is you have to click on New Project on the left-hand side here, and then you will come to this screen and there'll be instructions. So it will say paste or type in your product or service description. The more detailed, the better, or scrape the URL of the product or service. Please edit until the content is less than 5,000 words. Anything after 5,000 words will be discarded. Press next when ready to continue, and be as specific as possible. So this section is basically where you have to paste any information about your property that you want to use for your Airbnb property listing. So if you have the information in a Word document, you can just press here and then copy and paste it into here. Or alternatively, if you have a property website, you can paste it here. And what our software can do is it can scrape all of the data from your website and it will paste it into this box right here. So for example purposes, I have found a property website that I'm going to use just for educational purposes. I am not affiliated with this property website or company in any way, but I'm just showing you this for educational purposes. So this is 1 Oxford Street, Accra. Okay, so this is a property website. Over here it says product/service name. So what I advise you to put here is to actually put your property name here. That's number 1 Oxford Street, Accra. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on scrape URL, and all the information on this page of the property website is going to come up. So as you can see, everything has copy and pasted. So what you can do, you can look through the information. Anything that you feel is unnecessary, you can actually delete it and remove it. So I can see at the top that there's a lot of reviews that I don't actually want in my property listing. You can always add it later if you want, but for the purposes of creating my listing title and my description, I don't want to put my reviews in as of yet, or put these reviews in as of yet. So I'm going to start from our story, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then there's other information such as JavaScript, which I feel like is not necessary for this. I'm going to delete that. The rest, we have prices for the property website. We have numbers and stuff which may be necessary going forward, and we have the word count right here as well. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to click on next. All right, so that is how you scrape information from your property website, or alternatively, if you have information about your property, you can paste it into that box. So in the next tutorial, I'm basically going to explain the dashboard that you will see, and then we're going to create our first property listing title. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.